Hi, I'm Annie Parker here with Mr. Todd Chrisley, and Todd wants to show me how to make his favorite shake.
Well, I'm going to teach her how to make the shake that I have every day because I'm a creature of habit. I'm 50 years old and I don't like change. So I have the same shake virtually every morning, which is strawberry, banana, few cubes of ice, almond milk, and we're good to go.
Yeah, it's classic.
That's me telling you to go ahead and put it in.
All right then. Okay.
Yeah, okay. It's her show, but I mean, obviously I need to produce it. I'm not trying to be ribbon. How old are you?
Well, I mean, that's a secret that only the 310 community knows.
Okay, well, you tell me, I won't tell anyone.
I'm 37.
She's 37.
Thank you.
And she looks amazing.
Thank you.
But in my generation, cooking was something that you did every day. And as you struggle with this banana, it's letting me know that you're more focused on the beauty part and not the cooking part, right? Okay.
I have a master's in nutrition, so I was focused more on my education. She was going to
school.
Yeah, than the actual
and not
cooking
learning
of the
how
food.
to cook.
Right, yeah.
Her kids will appreciate as they're starving to death.
All right, I'm going to turn this on. It's going to drown you out.
Do you know how to do it?
Yes.
Let's see it. Yes!
So do we have a name for this? Is it just a strawberry banana, or did you make up a special name for this too, or what do we do here?
Well, I mean, I think that everything that has my name attached to it is sexy.
Uh-huh.
So we'll just call this the
Sexy Todd.
Yes, that worked. See how easy it was for you to say that.
Yes. Cheers.
How good is that?
All right.
Like
I
it?
feel I do. I like
You
it a
feel
lot.
sexier after drinking this, right?
I feel a little sexier right now.
There you go.
The Sexy Todd. All right. I feel inappropriate drinking something like that.
Should.
But
You should, because I feel uncomfortable with you saying all that around me. I personally do not like to talk about things like that. I don't like to use vulgar language. So on that note, everyone, join the 310 community. Cheers.
cheers.
Well, I think we need to have someone making this shake that loves the product.
No, I love
I
the
think you're
product.
shady
I
as
just
hell to take
don't
this
love
check
the
and
Sexy
not
Todd.
I don't believe that.